We're in the Texas Panhandle today, northwest of Adrian, Texas. One thing that ranches in the western part of Texas typically battle is drought conditions. You compound the drought conditions with a significant brush problem, and you can really run into some major forage production issues, particularly when that mesquite is robbing a lot of that soil moisture that they do receive, taking it up, transpiring that, using to develop brush instead of developing the desirable forage and grass plants that they truly desire and want on these ranches. They sprayed several sections of mesquite last year with a new product called Invora, focused primarily at controlling mesquite on this ranch.